Yo, and another one, and another one, and another one. New York City's #1 truck driver. Up in Woodstock, New York, where they did all the great concerts in the 60s, 80s. Bethel Woods, New York. Little ranch over there. Because they got cows and making milk there. Everybody's like, New York's so dangerous. New York's so dangerous. Yeah, okay. I'll let you guys tell it. See, this is what, us gangsters do. We either go to Florida or we move upstate. Stay out the city. We don't need that. This is Bethel Woods here. This is Woodstock right here. Right down that road. I'll tell you, man, people in the city they dream to live this life, yo. They don't even see this because, they're blinded by the project. They think that, we got an apartment in the projects. Woodstock. It don't pay to be a tough guy no more. Look at the cows over there. Look at the cows. Let me see if I can get in there. Look at the cows, yo. Look at the cows. It don't pay to be a tough guy no more. It really doesn't, yo. All tough guys are dead or in jail, yo. And I believe that, God has definitely blessed me, saved my life. God is good, yo. God is so good. God is so good to me. God is good to you too also. You just got to see the light. You got to see the bigger picture in life. God has blessed me with so many things in my life, yo. I got to appreciate that. And when you're blessed by God, people hate on you because, it's like Moses. When you see the path, the devil wants to hold you down, yo. But when you see all the bait traps that the devil sets, yo, and he set a whole lot of them for me, yo. But I never gave up my faith. I never gave up my faith. And that's what you guys gotta hold on to, is your faith in life. You're gonna have people hurt you. It's usually the closest people that you love that hurt you. They turn their backs on you, they leave you for dead. Because they have no faith. They'll cheat on you, they'll lie. Because you want to know why? Because they're in pain. So being that they're in pain, they want to hurt others. So it's like Florida out here. You just speed around other people. But I'm not in a rush right now because I'm actually getting paid to do this, so I can't make no money if I'm speeding around. So it is what it is. So I'm a contractor. What I do is I contract myself out to different people who need things done. I don't think you should work for anybody in life. I think you should be able to control how you work. I don't believe in bosses and being worried about being fired or anything like that. So I like doing jobs myself. I like taking my truck out and making some money on self. Traveling when I want to travel. You can't travel when you want to travel if you work for somebody in a company. So I keep my travels private because I have a lot of trolls. I have a lot of trolls that want to see me do bad. So I keep my channel just for drive-in and the love I got for New York. You know, the good, the bad, and the ugly of New York. So, look at that beautiful lake right there. Look at that shit. Look at that. Let's see right there. Beautiful lake. Oh, can't see it. Oh well. There it is, right there. I gotta come here and go fishing through that lake. So, yeah, people that you love will fold up on you quicker than you know about it. And then you got the ops that want to see you not do well in life. But you gotta believe in yourself to move forward in life. That little part right there. Because nobody really cares about you. At the end of the day, it's all discussion. Everybody wants to tell you what you should do in life when they got problems in their own life. So, my advice to you guys who want to branch out, have faith in yourself, believe in yourself, keep your faith in God first. Because without Him, nothing will happen. So, I think I'm in Callicoon, New York. You know, yeah, look at all these tractors here. Look at that. Oh, there's that Lake Huntington, California. Okay.
Take the next right onto New York 17B West, New York 52 East.
Liquor store here, but I don't drink anymore, so this sucks. So
Continue on New York 52 West for 3/4 of a mile.
So yeah, I believe in you guys, man. You know, being that I was born and raised in New York, I don't have feelings for too many friends because too many friends clutter your brain. Like I said, they all got advice when their life is miserable. So you have to walk in the path of God. You have to walk in the path of God and have faith in yourself. Because without faith in yourself, we're all lost. So in that note, I'm going to say blessings if you watch this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And God bless you all.